Hello, respectable audience. We have division and here we have addition. So this question will be solved. 7 divided by 3 multiplied by it will become 3. Now mostly people think that answer will be equal to 7 by 9 or 7 over 9. But they are wrong because this question can be solved by 7 divided by 3. First of all, we have to handle this parenthesis. It will be okay. So it is 3. Now, according to PEMDAS, we have to move from left to right because division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to move from left to right. So this 7 by 3 is not exactly divisible, so we can write it 7 by 3 multiplied by it is 3. So 3 and this 3 can be cancelled and we will get 7 as correct answer for this question. Thank you.